Guys, welcome to Alexander's RV and Trailer Sales. Today we're going to test our product we've come out with, Hubb Huggers. We've kind of built a mock-up hub for doing this test. Tristan, he's an expert at putting this test together, so he was in on this little demonstration. So we're going to let him show you exactly why you need a Hubb Hugger on your trailers and what can happen without them, and show you the difference between having them on your hub and running them without. So we'll let him give you a little demonstration and we'll see how it works out.
The weighted impact in this model represents the damages that often cause grease caps to fall off of hubs. When grease caps fall off, significant damages to your bearings, races, or spindles on your trailer can occur, which results in time-consuming and costly repairs. There she goes.
All right, that was 11 hits, Tristan. Is that what you counted?
Yeah.
All right, had 11 hits on it. As you can see, doesn't take much of an impact to knock them out without them. So we'll go ahead and put a new cap in. We'll put a Hubb Hugger on it, and we'll do it again for you. We'll see what happens.
Now that we've got a new grease cap on the model, it's time to install the Hubb Hugger. Any handheld electric heat gun will work just fine at securing the hub and the grease cap together. It's important not to hold it too close so that the Hubb Hugger melts, but you want it close enough so that it securely fastens onto the grease cap and the hub. Trimming can be done before, during, or after the installation. We offer videos on how to complete this process on our website.
All right, guys, we've got a new grease cap installed, got a new Hubb Hugger on. We're going to continue on with this test. The one we showed you earlier, we had took 11 hits without a Hubb Hugger, so we're going to let Tristan do his thing. We'll see how many it takes to knock it off there with a Hubb Hugger on it. Go ahead, Tristan. How many you up to, Tristan?
I'm not sure. Kind of quick count.
Okay.
And it's not moving though. It's just dented it.
We've probably got this almost 40 times of hitting it. It's put a pretty good dent in it. Emma, if you want to walk up here, get a little close-up shot of this. We could probably sit here and beat on this for another 30 minutes before we'll knock that off of there. But you can see the difference it makes, just the abuse, especially on industrial use trailers, dump trailers, car trailers, stuff like that take a lot of abuse. You can see the difference that makes in keeping your hubs protected, keeping your bearings protected. So we'll let this go for now, but you know, right there's the proof. You can see they make a big difference. So get a hold of Alexander's RV or go to hubbhuggers.com. We'll get you set up, get your trailer protected for you. Thank you.